700 cases of liquor stolen from Red Stripe recovered. One man arrested and another is being sought by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have recovered 700 cases of liquor that were stolen from the Red Stripe Brewery on Sunday, December 26. One man was also arrested in connection with the incident and a truck was also seized, the police reported on Wednesday. The police have also listed a 40-year-old man as a person of interest in connection with the fine. The Constabulary Corporate Communication Unit said that the recovery of the liquor account for approximately half of the liquor stolen, but could not give an estimate of the market value. Earlier this week, it was reported that burglars allegedly made off with $7 million worth of liquor during a robbery at Red Stripe on Spanish Town Road in St. Andrew. The thieves managed to gain entry to the warehouse and use a forklift to load two trucks before leaving the premises. The security guard that was on com- the security guard that was on duty was also tied up. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.